Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ledger Nano S to Ledger Live. First, download and install the Ledger Live application from the official website onto your computer. Make sure your Ledger Nano S device is charged or connected with its USB cable. It's also important to close any other cryptocurrency applications that might be running, as they could interfere with the connection process. This ensures a smooth and secure setup. Now, physically connect your Ledger Nano S to your computer using the USB cable that came with your device. Once connected, you'll need to enter your 4 to 8-digit PIN code directly on the Ledger Nano S to unlock it. After unlocking, open the Ledger Live application on your computer. You will then navigate to the Manager section within the Ledger Live interface to begin the synchronization process. Once in the Manager, Ledger Live will prompt you to allow access to your device. Confirm this action directly on your Ledger Nano S. Next, you can install the cryptocurrency applications you need, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, directly through Ledger Live. The application will then automatically synchronize with your Ledger Nano S, displaying your accounts and balances. This step is crucial for managing your assets. With your device connected and synchronized, you can now add new accounts for various cryptocurrencies directly within Ledger Live. Remember to always verify all transaction details on your Ledger Nano S screen before confirming anything. This is a critical security step. For more helpful tips and to check out the Owala water bottle, which helps you stay hydrated, look for the link and other deals in the description below. Keeping your crypto secure is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.